Home Remedies presents What is Talbina? A great remedy for relaxation of heart. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video I will share with you a very easy and healthy recipe that has numerous health benefits. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information. And without any more wait, let's start. The recipe I'm going to talk about today is Talbina. Talbina is used to treat the sick and to reduce the grief of one who is grieving, soothing his heart and giving him energy. Talbina is a soothing broth made from ground barley that has many healing properties. It is mentioned by Ibn al-Qayyim in his great work on the Prophetic medicine, and there are many Hadiths on the merits of Talbina for the sick and grieving person. Ibn al-Qayyim described Talbina as a thin soup with the consistency of yogurt, laban, from where its name is derived. He said that it was a broth made from barley flour together with the husks, and it is similar to barley water, but the difference is that barley water is cooked with whole barley, but Talbina is cooked with ground barley. Therefore, it is more beneficial because it can be digested easier and the nutrients are penetrated into the system quicker. He also said that it has relaxation for the heart of the sick person. It is nutritious and filling, and it warms and soothes the stomach, help to lessen sorrows and to regain health. It can also be effective in maintaining bowel regularity. Prophetic traditions. Some ahadiths on the subject include: the Talbina soothes the heart of the patient and relieves him from some of his sadness. The Talbina gives rest to the heart of the patient and makes it active and relieves some of his sorrow and grief. Talbina soothes the grieving heart and cleanses the ailing heart, just as one of you cleans dirt off his face with water. You should eat the beneficial thing that is unpleasant to eat, Talbina, meaning broth. If any member of the messenger's family was sick, the cooking pot would remain on the fire until one of the two things happened: either the person recovered or died. How to make Talbina? Ingredients. The key ingredient in Talbina is barley. A cup milk or water, 250 ml, 2 tablespoons Talbina barley flour, 1 teaspoon honey optional, 1 to 2 dates optional. Directions. Add 2 tablespoons of barley flour, must be 100% whole grain barley flour, to 1.5 cups of water or milk. Cook on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes till the milk boils while stirring the porridge with a spoon continuously. It can be sweetened with honey. This broth can be used as a stock for soups or stews or as a thickener. The use of Talbina has been recommended several times. It is a wholesome and nutrition-rich meal, especially when consumed as breakfast. Do try it guys and share your experience. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.